it's Marbruso DC and welcome back to my channel. So, merong panibagong video na naman po tayo. This is no makeup look. O, diba? No makeup look. Ano daw? Yung, walang makeup na itsura. Ganun. Pero naka-makeup. What? So, start na natin. Already apply my primer, guys, to moisturize your face. And yes, I'm gonna use this Maybelline foundation first. Yep. Put your primer, foundation, yun, ganon. Apply here. So let's use a wet sponge. Here's a brush, but I prepared this. Okay, let's start. This is Fit Me foundation, the shade 220. Gonna cover up all this. Let's use more. Drop. Wait, let's use a mirror. What? So let's use a mirror from this. Put on your forehead. Also in this because we're not gonna use eyeshadow. Yes. So guys, I already applied the foundation. Don't forget to your your neck also. There. So next up is concealer. So I have this concealer. I really love this concealer. This is from Focalier in the shade light cream. So that's gonna apply it here. If you want like this, but I don't wanna this because it's gonna be like makikita yung pimples ko dito. Ito kita kapag ginano ko. So hanggang dyan lang muna dyan. So dito anin ko rin dito to para to hide rin natin yan dito. So this is multi-purpose sponge. We're not gonna do a contour. Because if you want guys to do your contour, if you want to like tapatangusin yung ilong nyo dito or yung dito nyo, so nyo dito, use contour, but me, I'm not gonna use it. So it's gonna be no makeup look for me. Like, it could be done no makeup with contour, but I'm not gonna use it. Stop there. OMG. Like, I'm gonna use this. Make sure it. So next up is powder. I have this Fit Me foundation, the shade light beige, I think here. So let's gonna use a powder brush. Merong applicator to guys, pero ayoko, I don't prepare, like nahirapan ako i-apply. So there's a powder brush of Alcosir that is so very soft, and I like it applying it. Just put it here over your face. Oh, I'm loving this look right now. Yes, it's very simple. Yep. So we're next up in mascara. Oh, I'm gonna use that. care of this. Let's start. So if you want to curl, guys, just curl, but mine was fine. Okay. So this is Hyper Curl Mascara by Maybelline. So I'm gonna do my mascara now. This is Maybelline Mascara, Hyper Curl Mascara. If you want to curl, just curl, but mine was fine. Here. Sorry for the loud noise. Because that's my grandfather. Yeah. Good. So the last one is we're gonna use a lipstick. So this is from Caroline, and this is by Cosmetics. This is from the collection of Andrea Brillantes makeup, and so I'm gonna use this shade Juliet. So this is very natural and perfect for everyday look, everyday lipstick. So let's go. I'm gonna open this because maybe it will broken if you put it all like gonna open all. Is this so? Sterlatin, and this is the shade Juliet. So that's it, you guys. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe to this video, and also hit the notification bell for more videos, guys, to notify you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you for the everlasting support. Like, you mean a lot to me, guys. I'm so very grateful each one of you. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next video. Bye bye, guys.